Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying essential prerequisites so the update won't fail midstream. Back up your critical files and confirm the backup restores. Once done, make sure the device is plugged in and on a stable network. You need administrative privileges to install system updates, so log in accordingly. Free at least 10% of disk space and close non-essential applications to prevent conflicts. Then open the System Update panel, click Check for updates, and begin downloading available packages. You now handle the detailed execution steps for a safe installation. Download updates in small batches to limit bandwidth spikes and make retrying easier if one fails. Verify digital signatures or checksums when provided to ensure integrity. Once the files are ready, close background services and pause Cloud Sync to avoid file locks. Run installers with elevated rights and follow prompts. Accept required reboots and optional components deliberately. Monitor progress and open the installer logs if an operation stalls, so you finish by completing final steps and validating success. Restart the system immediately when prompted and let post-install configuration finish. Do not interrupt scripts or power off. After the reboot, confirm version numbers, launch your critical applications, and perform a quick functional check. Inspect system logs and update history for warnings. If something goes wrong, boot into safe mode or recovery, roll back the update or restore your backup, and gather log files before contacting support so you can explain what failed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.